YouTube world, welcome. It is I, Lisa, aka Chocolate Love, coming to you with another unboxing. As you can see, I have 4 unboxings to do. These are the Target Beauty boxes. They come out either every month, every quarter, I guess, depending on how they feel. And they're just boxes that cost $7. It's free shipping if you use your Target Red card, and they're full of samples. I love samples. I can take my samples when I go traveling. Most of them are TSA regulated, so we're going to go right into it. Now, forgive me because I can't remember what the name of this box is, but once I open it, it'll tell me. Hey, this is the So Fresh, So Clean box. And what do we have here? Looks like 2 premium cotton rounds. I have a Yes 2 grapefruit brightening mask. It's a peel-off mask. Vitamin C glow boosting. Great. What else we got here? We have Everyman Jack. It's body wash and shower gel. Sandalwood. 3.2 fluid ounces. That's a nice size. My boo can take that in his bag when we go to Florida. What do we have here? Dove. This is dry shampoo. Look at that. 1.5. I'm sorry. Oh, 1.15. Great. What else we have here? We have Dermacare Scalp. It is a anti-dandruff shampoo. Dryness and itch relief. 1.8 ounce. All right. Thank you. And on the back of these boxes, just gave you an idea of what's in the box, because Target do sell these in the store. They cost $7, like I said, and they're most likely in the beauty aisle. Next, let's see if something's on the back of this one. Nope. Okay, what do we have here? We have Festival Beauty Headliners. Okay, what we got here? Ooh. You see these guys? This is hair jewelry for locks and braids. Pretty neat. Okay. What do we have here? We have the Do It All 3-in-1 Dry Texture Spray. So, it is, it's a dry shampoo meets hairspray. Okay. Nice travel size, 1 ounce. We have the Hawaiian Tropic Antioxidant Refresh Sunscreen Mist. It's a little small bottle, and it's a SPF 30 with green tea extracts. We also have, pretty color, Sinful Colors Professional. This is Full for Azul. Very pretty color. Hey, thank you. And then we have, Mask Bar. Holographic foil. It's a peel-off mask. Revitalizing, moisturizing, eliminating. Okay, 1 complete mask in here, which is cool. And then I have to tell them about themselves because, look, some of my, and that's a really cute one, some of my hair jewelry came off of the pack. Alright, that's a great deal. Alright, we're going to box number 3. Alright, what do we have in here? This is called In Your Skin Box. Alright, what do we have here? We have Rose Tonic. Okay, come on, focus. There you go. Give me something. It's not going to focus. Oh, there we go. Rose Tonic Nourishing Toner. It's a little small bottle. Okay, what else we have here? A sample of, it's a 3-in-1 moisturizer. It's made with rose water. This is Garnier Skin Active. So it's just a pad. No, it's a cream. It's cream. Okay. Looks like they are giving me $2 off of that cream. Thank you. Ooh, what do we have here? We have Soothing Facial Mist made with rose water. So it's one of those little ones you can throw in your purse. Instantly hydrates and refresh anytime and anywhere. So it hydrates, primes before makeup, sets makeup, and refreshes. And then we have Pure Peace. Oh, it's body wash with peony, rose water, pink sea salt. I bet this smells delicious. And then we have a sample of lavender and rose native deodorant. Okay, all right. We can certainly use those in our travels. And it's coming on down the finishing line, guys. We have this beauty box. Ooh, another one of these. So this one is coconut and vanilla. And it is native deodorant. We have Up For probiotic gummies made with simple goodness. You get 4 gummies in a pack, and this is the mixed berry flavor. Ooh, coupon for that. Yes. Coupon for $1 off of the Palmer's coconut formula. So this is Bloom into Beauty. What else we have here? Ooh, a pillow pack of coconut oil deep conditioning protein pack from Palmer's. And then we have another mask. Results in 20 minutes. Hydrate. Quench dry skin. It is a mask. 1 pre-treated facial sheet mask. So that's it, guys, for the Target beauty boxes. Stay tuned. We have some more unboxings coming soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell for notification. And I'll see you guys in the next video, the next unboxing. Toodles!